What if I told you that grading math isn't just about getting the right answer anymore? AI tools are changing how we assess problem solving, analyzing how students think, not just what they solve. In this video, I'll show you how AI is taking math assessments beyond the right answer and how teachers can use it today. Welcome to TeachSmarter AI, the channel where teachers and educators learn how to use AI to save time, personalize learning, and teach smarter, not harder. The problem with traditional math assessment. For years, math grading has focused on one thing, the right answer. But that approach misses something important, the process. Two students might get the same wrong answer for completely different reasons. One misunderstood the concept, the other just made a small calculation slip. Traditional grading doesn't tell us that, but AI can. How AI changes math assessment. AI can analyze a student's solution step by step. It looks for reasoning patterns, checks how formulas are applied, and even spots misconceptions. Tools like Gradescope, Sowieso, and Conquer AI use machine learning to evaluate math steps, not just final answers. This helps teachers give more targeted feedback and personalized remediation. Real classroom benefits. So, what does this mean for real classrooms? Less time grading repetitive problems. More insight into how students think. Faster feedback, so students can correct mistakes right away. And better differentiation for mixed ability classes. Going beyond grading. But AI isn't just for grading, it's also for growth. By tracking how students approach problems, AI can predict where they'll struggle next and recommend practice problems automatically. That means fewer surprises at test time and more confidence in class. The teacher's role. Does this mean AI replaces teachers? Not at all. AI can analyze the data, but only teachers understand the human story behind it. Together, AI and teachers can create assessments that focus on understanding, not just scores. So, the future of math assessment isn't about catching mistakes, it's about understanding minds. AI helps teachers look deeper, teach smarter, and truly go beyond the right answer. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow teacher. This is TeachSmarter AI, helping educators everywhere use AI to save time and inspire smarter learning.